Good morning, board members. By a show of hands, how many of you have either bought a vehicle or a house sometime in your life? So all of you, I kind of figured as much. So the senior vice president of Compass Real Estate, Koki Adasi, once said, "The house you looked at today and wanted to think about until tomorrow may be the same house someone looked at yesterday and will buy today." I have taken several finance classes here at Central Penn College. I've also taken the personal financial management course here. On top of that, I've actually gone through like most of the home buying process. And prior to doing that, I really had no idea how the process worked or the things that you needed to do or provide or anything. And I think that's something that a lot of people can say. Prior to doing it, they had no idea how to do it. High dollar purchases can have a major impact on your life. Today I want to discuss some of the benefits that would come from adding a new course called Managing Life-Changing Purchases to the Central Penn College course catalog. I also want to explain how this new course will be valuable to the entire student body and also how it relates to the Central Penn College mission statement. So as I said, high dollar purchases can really impact your life in a big way. Large, poorly made purchases can lead to excessive debt and an inability to dig yourself out of it. These poor decisions can also prevent you from achieving your full potential. And furthermore, poor financial decisions most times and a lot of times can lead to further poor purchase decisions, which will really send you spiraling down in somewhere you don't want to be. It's really hard to get out of that situation. So there are several benefits that this course has to offer. One, it can improve student financial responsibility by teaching the students what can happen if they make faulty, expensive purchases. This course will also teach students how to make better large purchase decisions. Furthermore, the Managing Life-Changing Purchases course can give students a higher potential to be promoted in their careers. So why is this course valuable to the Central Penn College student body? Well, for one, all the students that go to Central Penn will eventually buy a vehicle or a house, regardless of their choice of degree. It also gives all students a greater knowledge and understanding of how making important purchases work. And kind of like just an extra little add-on there, once they learn this, the students of Central Penn learn this, it's something that can be passed down to their children, which means it can benefit generations of people. So how does this course relate to the Central Penn College mission statement? So the course is set up in a way in which it will impact each student from every type of academic background, which coincides quite clearly with the mission statement of Central Penn. It also make a correlation between the personal and professional success and how they each can influence each other. Teaching students how to make important financial decisions will prevent them from having a lack of respect from their bosses and their coworkers, which can be seen whenever people are known to make bad personal finance decisions. So in conclusion, high dollar purchases really do have a big impact on your life. It can be positive and negative. If you do it right, it'll be great and positive. If you do it wrong, it can be very, very bad and can really, really have a bad impact on your life. The new Managing Life-Changing Purchases course that I am proposing offers students many different benefits. These benefits would apply to the entire student body here at Central Penn College. And finally, the new course will fit in well with what is outlined in Central Penn's mission statement. So what needs to happen from here? First of all, I'd like to say that If any of you have any questions today that were unanswered by me in the presentation, please follow up with me. I will answer all the questions that you have and try to clear everything out that you need cleared up. But secondly, and most importantly, I'd like you to strongly consider adopting the Managing Life-Changing Purchases course. It's extremely valuable to students, and it could seriously set them up for some real success once they get out of college and start their life. I'm going to end with a quote from the author, Natasha Munson. She said, "Money, like emotions, is something you must control to keep your life on the right track." Thank you.